Hello everybody. Today we will continue SQL Training for Beginners course. Lesson 6. SQL and or and not operators. The where clause can be combined with and or and not operator. The and or operators are used to filter records based on more than one conditions. The and operator displays a record if all the conditions separated by and is true. The or operator displays a round or a record if any of the condition separated by or is true. The not operator displays a record if the conditions is not true. And syntax. Select column 1 and column 2 from table name wherein condition and condition 2 and condition 3. Or syntax. Select column 1, column 2 from table name wherein condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3. Not syntax. Select column name 1 or 2 from table name where not condition. Demo database. Here our database for customers, customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country, and example. The following SQL statement selects all fields from customers where in country is Germany and city is Berlin. Example: select asterisk from customers where the country equal Germany and the city equal Berlin. Here our environment, select asterisk from customers where country Germany and city equal Berlin. If here semicolon or no problem. Execute. Only one record we got. Or example: the following SQL statement selects all fields from customers where in the city is Berlin. Or example: Berlin or Munich. Okay. Example: select asterisk from customers where in the city equal Berlin or city equal Munich. So we'll try here again. From customer where in the city equal Berlin or city equal Munich. If you are here, check the result. Only one. Great. Not example: the following SQL statement selects all fields from customers where in a country is not Germany. Example: select asterisk from customers where not country equal Germany. So where not country equal Germany. We'll check the result. Great. So it will be 80 row result. This is the result. as we see. And for the country, Mexico, UK, Sweden, France, Spain, UK, Argentina, Brazil. Great. Combining and, or, and not. The following SQL statement selects all fields from customers where country is Germany and city must be Berlin or Munich. We will see example. Select asterisk from customers where in country equal Germany and city equal Berlin or city equal Munich. Good. Select asterisk from customer where the country equal Germany and city equal Berlin or city equal the result only one. Again, select the asterisk from customers where the country equal Germany and between two brackets city equal Berlin or city equal Munich. The following SQL statement selects all fields from customers where the country is not Germany and not USA. Example. Select asterisk from customers where not country equal Germany and country equal USA and not equal USA. So the result here 67 Mexico, UK, Sweden, France, Spain, Canada, Australia. Okay, so our lesson today is finished. Don't forget to click subscribe or the bell. If you have any comment, just send for me. Okay, bye.